Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have the proper account and role permissions. This prevents later rework. Once confirmed, gather the updated education records, transcripts, enrollment dates, and institution codes so you can enter accurate values. Open the EREG profile and make a quick backup of current education fields before editing. This preserves data if you need to revert. Now, navigate to the Education section and prepare to replace or append entries, making sure ID and formats match the system's expected patterns. Next, you perform the detailed entry, input institution code, degree type, major, and precise start/end dates. Use the required formats, for example YIMMDD and standardized degree abbreviations, because EREG will reject mismatches. Once entries are added, run the system's validation checks and preview the record to catch formatting or logic errors. If the platform offers bulk import, map each column carefully. Make sure to save drafts progressively. Frequent saves reduce the risk of losing complex edits mid-session. Finish by saving your final changes and submitting the update for approval when required. This triggers workflow and audit trails. After submission, confirm the success message and inspect the audit history to ensure the update is recorded with the right timestamps and user ID. If something goes wrong, validation errors, missing codes, revert using your backup or fix the specific field, then revalidate and resubmit. A reliable troubleshooting tip: check exact code lists and date formats first, because most failures stem from format mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.